Everybody is changing away from WhatsApp. I don't know if you knew this.
Really?
Well, I don't know if it's everybody, but enough people hit me up where I realized, and then of course we put the clip out yesterday, and of course it's just been the topic. It surprised me how big of a topic. I know a lot of people use WhatsApp, but people are just very upset about this particular change to the terms of service that seem to indicate it's going to be a lot of sharing with Facebook. Now, Facebook said, no, it's just like, it's not going to change anything. And it's mostly for businesses to track across platforms. But people don't care. They saw it and they saw that there was no opt-out option. And who knows, if enough people leave, maybe that opt-out option will come in. I'm not sure. It's take it or leave it is essentially how it was positioned. And I don't think that's a great tactic. Take it or leave it. People were like, all right, I'll leave it. And they've been trying to figure out where to go if they're going to leave WhatsApp, leading to record downloads of the Signal app. Now, I don't know about the other one, Telegram, right?
Telegram?
Yeah, that's the other one that people are considering. I guess it's either between Signal and Telegram, and both are competing to be your messaging app, and both are obviously focused on privacy and not data collection. I mean, Edward Snowden uses Signal every day. So tells you all you need to know.
Yeah.
Now, Signal has been hitting records on the App Store. In fact, verification codes for people to sign up, they were delayed across several cellular networks. They couldn't even send the verification codes fast enough for the number of people who wanted to sign up.
Wow. I mean, yeah, good for them.
Now, here's the other thing about Signal. Will?
Number 4 in social networking.
Signal is headed up by the former WhatsApp guy who, once they got acquired from Facebook, immediately had beef with Zuckerberg and bounced.
Peace.
And then he told everyone to delete Facebook. And he went and made Signal on the premise of being a private messenger. So if anybody would know, he would know.
Right.
He would be your guy. Goes by the name of, I want to make sure I get his name correct here. Brian Acton, the former WhatsApp co-founder who left the company after it was bought by Facebook in 2014. This is his company. So he's your guy. So Signal is hot, and anybody looking for an alternative to WhatsApp who doesn't like that terms of service and doesn't want to sit around and wait, I guess Signal is your go-to. Or you can look into the other option there, Telegram.
Do you use WhatsApp?
I do use WhatsApp, but not much. There'll be like one with the other. I have the other coaches on our team. Like if you got to put a group of people together, I don't want to try to force everybody to go to some other app. But I guess if it's on your phone, you're bleeding all kinds of data because it's got its hooks in all over the place. Facebook too. Who knows? Maybe I'll pitch it. Say we're all going to Signal, boys. I don't know.
Yeah, watch Lou later and get up to date with the latest.
Oh yeah,
Signal
I send them the link to this clip.
Exactly.
I'm like,
don't have
okay,
to say anything.
That's it.
There you go.
I already said it.